Join me as I dive into a crazy experiment to find out if my tap water is actually creating toxic byproducts. Let's see what we discover. When it comes to the water we drink, most of us take it for granted, assuming that our tap water is clean and safe. But what if I told you that the very water we drink every day might be creating toxic byproducts that can harm our health? The central issue here is the presence of harmful chemicals in our tap water. You see, our water treatment plants use disinfectants like chlorine to kill off bacteria and other microorganisms. While this process is necessary, it also has a dark side. These disinfectants can react with organic matter in the water, like decaying plants and animals, to form dangerous compounds. These compounds have been linked to a range of health problems, from cancer and reproductive issues to neurological disorders. One of the most alarming aspects of this issue is that these toxic byproducts are often unregulated and unmonitored. In fact, many water treatment plants don't even test for them. This means that we have no idea how widespread the problem is or how much of these toxins we're actually consuming. It's a ticking time bomb, and we're all unwittingly drinking from it. The lack of transparency and regulation surrounding tap water quality is staggering. It's a complex issue that requires immediate attention and action. We need to start demanding more from our water treatment plants and government agencies. We need to know what's in our water and what's being done to remove these toxic byproducts. Let's dive deeper into the specific chemicals involved in water treatment and how they interact to form these toxic compounds. One of the most commonly used disinfectants is chlorine, which reacts with organic matter to form trihalomethanes, or THMs. These THMs have been linked to cancer and reproductive problems. Another disinfectant, chloramine, can form haloacetic acids, or HAS, which have been linked to skin problems and other health issues. The interaction between these chemicals is complex and multifaceted. For example, when chlorine is used to disinfect water, it can react with ammonia to form chloramine. This can then react with organic matter to form even more toxic byproducts. It's a toxic cocktail, and we're all drinking from it. One study found that people who drank tap water with high levels of THMs had a higher risk of bladder cancer. Another study found that exposure to HAS in tap water was linked to a higher risk of skin problems and reproductive issues. The evidence is mounting, and it's clear that we need to take action. But here's the kicker. Even if you're using a water filter at home, you might still be exposed to these toxic byproducts. That's because many filters don't remove them, or can even make them worse. It's a shocking fact that highlights just how complex and multifaceted this issue is. The idea that our tap water could be poisoning us is a difficult pill to swallow. But the evidence is clear. We need to take action. We need to demand more from our water treatment plants and government agencies. We need to start taking responsibility for our own health and well-being. So what can we do to protect ourselves? First, we need to stay informed. We need to know what's in our water and what's being done to remove these toxic byproducts. We need to demand transparency and accountability from our water treatment plants and government agencies. And we need to start taking control of our own health, whether that means using a high-quality water filter or drinking from a trusted source. Thanks for watching, and I want to hear from you. What do you think about the safety of our tap water? Do you have any concerns or experiences you'd like to share? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about healthy living and staying informed, be sure to check out my video on the top 5 health trends you need to know about.